Yeah, it's the 26th of October. Long time since we've gone for a walk. So, yeah, watch this and I'll explain a little bit more. But after the intro. So, we're going to go for a walk today. Haven't been one for a long time. I think in one of the last ones I did say about the doctors got it wrong. So basically, if you've been following me, I had a serious illness August 2023 and yeah, ended up in ICU. I was in serious recovery for about 18 months. I'm still in recovery now. But part of that recovery is due to the doctors missing quite a lot. Prior to my seizures, I actually had a motorcycle accident, damaged my knee, my right side a little bit. So a month later, when I had the seizures, they put that down to a stroke. So they treated me for a stroke, so all damage down my right hand side they thought was related to a stroke, and they got it wrong. That was because of the motorcycle accident. And since then they said it was a cavernoma single seizure. So yeah, I've had the wrong treatment for 2 years and now I'm facing a knee replacement because of it. It's difficult to know if eventually I've had the knee replacement, but I've got MRI scan next week. Physio said I can't do no more damage, so I've popped a few painkillers and we thought we'd go for a walk. We haven't been one for a while. So yeah, not sure where we're going. I'm here waiting for the boss. So yeah, see where we end up. Right, the boss tried to cheat and organise where we were going. It was your idea to go.
Yes, but I don't want to take you somewhere and then you'd be in agony for the rest of the day because you'll just whinge and moan.
I'm in agony anyway.
Well,
I've explained to them the situation. So they're up to speed and they know I've taken some painkillers.
That won't help though, will it? Let's be honest. They don't work. Okay, well then I'm just going to go where I want to go and you're just going to have to lump it and whinge.
Well, exactly, that's what the idea was.
I can always throw you off a cliff.
So it's a secret, as I said.
We're going to head over.
It's a secret.
All right.
All right.
Okay.
See where we end up.
Yep.
How'd they do it? Ooh. So we're literally 5 minutes out of the house and yeah, it's raining, so I think we're going to get wet. So hopefully the walk's not going to be as long as the boss planned. Bedroom and steps,
Yeah,
right,
aren't
aren't you? So it's a little bit windy, so I don't know if the sound's going to be a bit muffled or wind. I think we're going to get a load of wind on this pillar. It's not too cold. What is it, 10 degrees? Said?
Oh, come on.
It's amazing what? You mean the bramble type stuff or thorny type stuff, or so we've done our research, the galls. Yeah. So it's a lot less windy here. You probably, well, you wouldn't have heard. I don't know if I put the sound on or not, where I just filmed off the cliff face there. But that was an amazing shot. But yeah, so I mean, it's not too bad at the minute. We'll do a step count. We were up to 5,000 target in our previous walks, which actually we found out later on was actually done me more damage than good. But as the hospital's now said, I've got to have a knee replacement, so I can't damage it anymore. So we thought we'd come for a walk on painkillers. But yeah, not far from Newquay, so we got an aeroplane up there. Blown off. the sheltered bit
Yeah.
of the bracken.
Mind that.
Yeah. So my knees aren't doing too bad because of the painkillers, but my back's hurting. 2 years of limping has caused a lot of other issues, but yeah, so that's your life. So we're back in the car.
We are.
We've done
4,671.
a bit of a windy day
Yeah.
and just a think of the future, isn't it? we just popped in a little shop here to get some biscuits, didn't we, after the walk, and couldn't get a signal on the phone, so we couldn't pay for it, so we couldn't get the biscuits.
Well, there's a bit more to it than that, because
Yeah.
normally you can just do it.
But yeah,
But
it is the sign of times. Once we're fully digital,
it will be interesting.
if you don't have a signal, you can't do nothing. So there.
Yeah.
The
Right.
future.